guys, my name is Marielle and I'm an Amazon influencer. In today's video, I want to talk to you about what is Amazon influencers. I know there's a lot of confusion surrounding Amazon influencers because when I first started, I was also extremely confused because I had heard about Amazon Associates, which is like affiliate linking, but I had not heard of Amazon influencers. So what is Amazon Influencer? Amazon Influencer is a program where if you purchase something on Amazon or if you have things in your home that you can find on Amazon, even if you didn't buy it from there, you can create a product review video for it. Now, this can range anywhere from unboxings, product demos, opinions on it, pros and cons, and honest reviews. You can really tailor it whatever you think the audience might like the best. So after you have the product from Amazon, you could take a 30-second to 2-minute review video surrounding that product. Once that is done, you are going to actually post it on the back end of Amazon influencers. So you do not need to post it to your social media. You do not need to bring people to Amazon. You are simply going to look up the product, place the video underneath that product, and submit it. And then once someone is going shopping for that product that you created a video for, if they click on your video and they watch it for 30 seconds or more, and then they purchase the product, you will get a commission based on that sale. So the commission rates differ in different categories. Some of the best categories are luxury items, home items, pet products, patio, lawn, and garden. Now here is a breakdown of all of the commission structures. They do tend to change, but what stayed consistent is the categories that are always going to be at the top, which are the ones that I just mentioned. Now, I left my day job after a year of doing Amazon influencers because it was quickly replacing my 9-to-5 income, and I was spending probably 3 really intense days. Well, when I say intense, I don't mean like super intense, 3 or 4 good days a month going through my house, scanning the products, reviewing the items, and getting them posted to Amazon influencers. So once I started doing that, the money started rolling in. It took me like a couple weeks to make my first $100 day. And then once I saw the possibilities of it, I was like, let's go all in on this. So I no longer have a 9-to-5. Amazon influencers is my main business. And over the last couple of years, I have learned so many different tips and tricks to boosting my income, whether either on the Amazon influencers platform or repurposing those videos that I made for Amazon influencers to bring in additional income. So I'm currently making in between $2,000 to $4,000 a month just from Amazon influencers. For the most part, at this point, I am reviewing videos for a full day, probably once a month, and then uploading them. So it is becoming extremely passive, and there have been months where I have not even touched Amazon influencers, and I'm still bringing in that 2 to 4K just through Amazon influencers. Now, I did create a course recently highlighting some of my best tips, tricks, like growth strategies, how to get approved, etc. for Amazon Influencers program because it really changed my life, and I know it has the possibility to change other people's. Some people that I know are making $14,000 a month just through influencers reviewing Amazon products. Now, you probably say it's too good to be true, there's got to be a catch, etc. The thing is there's really not a catch. If I show you some of my early videos, how bad the video quality was, how bad the audio was, I was still making $100 days with those videos. Now, as time progressed, I upgraded my phone and that gave me a better camera. And I've also added like attachment mics and some tools like different types of tripods or things that can be used handheld, so that way you can demonstrate the product in a better manner. Overall, I have to say, the only catch is that sometimes they remove the video placement. So there are months that you will do worse. Some of my worst months are around $2,000. And then there are months where they get everything right and have a Prime Day. And I've had $6,000 months, sometimes $8,000 months on those Prime Day months. And when the Christmas months come, it is like, Hallelujah. I love the Christmas months. So there is a lot of movement currently surrounding the Amazon Influencers program, but having been in it for 3 years, it is here to stay, and this is an incredible time to get into the program. So what qualifies you as an Amazon influencer? In order to get approved for the Amazon Influencer program, you will have to link a social media account. Now this can be TikTok, it can be YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Some of those accounts must be business accounts, and then TikTok and Instagram can be personal accounts where you can get in. Now, a lot of people might scare you and try to keep you out of the program by saying you need tens of thousands of followers to get in. That is absolutely, legitimately not true. I actually signed up when I first heard about the program. I was like, let me just try it out, give it a try, because there's nothing to lose. I signed up with my dog's TikTok account. Now, whatever account you sign in with will be the display name. You can change it around, but I still get addressed as my dog when companies reach out to offer me free products. So you can get in. Now, I got in with, I think, 2,000 followers on my TikTok account. But what they're really looking for is high engagement, more than anything else. So if you have a social media platform with over 2,000 followers, then you are pretty much guaranteed to get in, you will be fine, etc. Now, for people that don't have that, there are so many easy ways of getting engagement on posts without those 2,000 followers that will allow you into the program. So do not get discouraged. Like, discouragement is probably the greatest obstacle to financial freedom. You need to believe in yourself, believe you can do it, because I had imposter syndrome. Like, I still get imposter syndrome even creating videos such as this. And at this point, I feel like I'm an expert at Amazon influencers. You just need to be consistent, like actually put in the work. And when I say that, I mean, if you have a day job and you need that income, do not quit your day job for Amazon influencers. If you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of free time in the day, use it. It is extremely easy. Like, I was shocked when I first started the program and started seeing the money come in, and it doesn't take a long time. You will start making money almost instantly. As soon as those videos are published, you will be making money. So I do not want to discourage anyone. For those of you who don't have a following on anything, in my course, I talk about a loophole method of building up engagement and getting your whatever social media account you choose in the perfect position to get in within like 5 to 10 days. So if you guys are interested in learning more on Amazon influencers, I would highly recommend my course, because my course doesn't just talk about Amazon influencers. That is the foundational stuff that we go over, and I show you how to record, like how to create thumbnails, like what are the best tips and tricks, the do's and the don'ts, like how to sneak your way into Amazon influencers for the most part. I absolutely recommend my course. I spent about 3 months making it, partially because of imposter syndrome, but also because I wanted to provide information that none of the other Amazon influencers courses are providing. So I know I've taken probably 6 people's Amazon influencers courses just to see if there was like information that I did not know about yet. And at this point, I can almost guarantee that my course is a better, fuller, more comprehensive version of a lot of the other courses out there. So if you're interested, I highly recommend you click the link below and check out my course. Like I said, I worked so hard on it, and this is the key to financial freedom. There is also a growth course that I'm launching soon, teaching you how to repurpose your videos and double the income. And again, so much of this is passive. I love being at the beach, the pool, taking a hooky day, and knowing that my money is making me money. You are probably already buying products on Amazon, and so there is zero excuse not to be making that money back. So click the link down in the description to visit my Humble Hustle Passive Income course.